And hey, this right here, see y'all? See the difference? This is bopping. See that video again right there? This is another part of that cool bopping. Bopping is a beautiful dance. Don't misunderstand me. I love bopping. I can't do it, but I love watching it. I love seeing people do it. My mama used to do it. Her era, her generation. But we came out with this gangster dance. We called it bopping because we didn't know no difference. And then Sam Chapman, I think, made it official. Steppin'. Let's go steppin'. Let's go to Steppin Six. And all that good stuff. This right here, this is Ty Skippy and Celeste, the original legends of steppin'. The original couple. And they'll be the king and the queen. Celeste and Ty. Unfortunately, Ty passed, but he left such a legacy behind him. He left all this, a whole lot of what you all see, and a whole lot of people that you're seeing in coming out of this man. And he got his from Little Mike. I wish I had some video on Little Mike. He'd tell you if he was right here, sitting right here, he'd tell you Little Mike was his man. Okay, that's a whole other story, y'all. That's out there in the wild hundreds. And this video right here, this is Lisa at the Beverly House. You know, this is all original stepping. And this right here, hey, this R. Kelly video. Hey, love him dearly, you know, but that ain't stepping, y'all. He literally put stepping on the map with Step in the Name of Love. Everybody went bananas. It was crazy. Everybody trying to get it. This instructor here, that instructor there, this instructor there, that instructor there, you know. And that's what really made it grow. But that ain't stepping, all. And that Steve Harvey video that you see on Family Feud, that old two-step, that old fake basement stepping, that ain't stepping either, y'all. So hey, I just want y'all to know, don't get it twisted. This is not stepping. Anybody can tell you they can step. Anybody can pretend they can step. Anybody can tell you they're an instructor. Anybody can tell you they're an instructor. They can't instruct. Everybody that dances seems to think that they can be an instructor. This ain't, man, please. It don't work like that. Just because you can count to 8 don't mean you're a mathematician. Bottom line, come on, y'all. Everybody. There's so many instructors out here going this way, that way, all trying to get to the same place. It's amazing. The ball method is the only method. On that Gangster Steppin, female, male, they always try to say Gangster Steppin is a man dance. No, it's not. It's a dance. It's the original form of the dance. Stepping. I always wanted to show you all the difference between bopping and stepping. You know, it's been presented in so many different ways and so many, you know, anybody that's been in the basement and drunk off of Hennessy will tell you that they can step if they're from Chicago. Anyway, I digress. All right, okay. Remember, guys, this is part 2. We're going to do a part 3. Remember, we want to keep you all coming back. We want you guys to get on my YouTube channel and subscribe to the channel. Like, share, promote this beautiful dance. Help me get it out there, y'all. We want this dance going all over the world. Come on now. Just like that. We don't want to keep it stuck right over here. Over here, this dance should be on TV. That's all I got to say. And I'm out.